Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about prepositions. What are prepositions? They are a preposition is a word or a group of words used before a noun, a pronoun, or a noun phrase to show direction, time, location, spatial relationships, or to introduce an object. Let's look at some examples to better understand what this means. On. On. The panda is on the table. The panda is on the table. In. In. The pandas are in the car. The pandas are in the car. Where do you think they're going? Behind. Behind. The panda is behind the tree. The panda is behind the tree. Maybe he's playing hide and seek with his friends. Beside. Beside. The panda is beside the tree. The panda is beside the tree. Or you can use next to. Next to. The panda is next to the tree. The panda is next to the tree. Beside and next to are synonyms. They mean the same thing. On top of. On top of. The panda is on top of the ball. The panda is on top of the ball. That must be a very big ball. Between. Between. The panda is between the two trees. The panda is between the two trees. There's a tree on the left and there's a tree on the right. And the panda is in the middle or in between these two trees. Between. Over. Over. The bird is flying over the flowers. The bird is flying over the flowers. Under. Under. The dog is sitting under the tree. The dog is sitting under the tree. Over and under are opposites. What can we say about this image? What do you see? Can you make me a sentence? You can say the rabbits are sitting next to each other. The rabbits are sitting next to each other. What was the other word that we could use instead of next to? That's right, beside. The rabbits are sitting beside one another. The rabbits are sitting beside one another. Or you can say, the rabbit is holding an orange in his hand. The rabbit is holding an orange in his hand. Can you make me another sentence? And what can we say about this photo? The butterfly is sitting on the flower. The butterfly is sitting on the flower. Can you make me a second sentence? You could say the flower is under the butterfly. The flower is under the butterfly. And what about this one? It's a really cute photo, isn't it? Can you make a sentence for this picture? Leave your sentence in the comments section so I can see. You can also write me your other sentences as well. I'd love to see all of your sentences. Now, let's use our new words to talk about our home. What can we say about this image? For example, you can say, the cushions are on the sofa. The cushions are on the sofa. Do you see the three little cushions? Yes, they're on the sofa. The book is on the table. The book is on the table. Can you make a sentence for me about the flowers? The stools are under the counter. The stools are under the counter. The lights are over the counter. The lights are over the counter. Remember, under and over are opposites. What sentences can you make to describe your kitchen? The night table is next to the bed. The night table is next to the bed. The pillows are on top of the bed. The pillows are on top of the bed. What sentences can you make about your bedroom? And the bathroom. The toilet is next to the bathtub. The toilet is next to the bathtub. And what about your bathroom? Can you explain your bathroom to me? All right. I'm excited to see what kind of sentences you come up with. I'd like you to use your new words to describe your living room, your bedroom, your bathroom, and your bedrooms. You can also use them to describe other rooms in your house. I'm excited to see what you come up with. All right, that's it for today. Thank you for listening and being here.